Creep up, aim, I'm bussin'. Bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it.
What are we doing, Nick?
No idea.
We have a surfboard with no fins, and a boogie board, and a car, and some mud. This should be good. Oh, dude, wait, hang on. What's that? We are good. We got surfer view over here.
Yeah, ready? Yeah.
I reckon we need to figure out how to, like, once you get used to leaning, right,
Yeah.
lean.
No, yeah, it was like I could control. When it came to this thicker part, I like go off to the side and stuff.
Alright guys, so I've got the GoPro on the back of the car, and we're gonna see Cole and Nick straight out.
Go.
I started leaning, and then the board went under, and I didn't let go. All right. Oh yeah. So Nick's just got his surfboard, and he's just taking the fins off it, so that way. All right. Uh-oh. Oh, he's giving it the bearings, boys. Yeah. Oh, he's gonna go. He's gonna make me go up the mud. So yeah, we're in Nick's place today, in the rain. We're gonna just try and surf on the grass. Cause yeah, all right.
Start on like the top of the hill so you can get a bit of it.
All right. Oh, I'm gonna try it sitting down.
Yeah.
Ugh. All right. Oh yes. Yeah. Oh frick! Oh. That works. You just have no control over what it's doing. Yep. So good.
What are we doing next?
Do you reckon you can hold on to it when you're lying down there? Hold on to the GoPro facing forward?
Yeah, no, yeah, I think I can.
Right, Nick. It is now dark and the mud is too chopped up. I don't know why. So the board just gets stuck to the mud too quick. But would you look at the car? Oh yeah. Far out. This is good. But that's probably it for this video, guys. Sorry if it was a short one. I kind of just decided to come over to Nick's spur of the moment, and so I didn't really have anything planned. But we're starting to lose light now, and yeah, this has been insane. Absolutely crazy.